हाय गाइस, हाउ यू ऑल डूइंग? आई होप ऑल यू आर सेफ और आप सब अपनी फैमिली के साथ घर पर एकदम सेफ होंगे। आज मैं एक बारी फिर से आ गया हूँ जावा मोटर्स की डीलरशिप पर। इनफैक्ट मैं आ गया हूँ स्वाति मोटर्स साउथ दिल्ली में, और मैं यहाँ पर इसलिए आया हूँ बाइक चलाने नहीं, बाइक तो पहले भी चला चुका हूँ, आप देख चुके हैं मेरा रिव्यू। अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप नीचे क्लिक कर सकते हैं लिंक पर, और यहाँ पर आप इस पॉप आउट बैनर पर भी क्लिक कर सकते हैं। हमने जावा के काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस किए हैं पिछले साल, आप देख सकते हैं हमने क्या क्या वीडियोस किए हैं वहाँ पे जाके। लेकिन आज हम बात करने हैं जावा के कुछ कस्टमर से जो कि पैराग की डिलीवरीज लेंगे। इस बाइक की डिलीवरीज 20 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं, और आज 20 जुलाई है, जब ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो आगे डेट निकल चुकी होगी। लेकिन हम बात करेंगे उन कस्टमर्स से जिन्होंने बाइक ली है, फर्स्ट डिलीवरी जिनको मिली है, और बात करेंगे उनसे, पूछेंगे क्यों उन्होंने बाइक खरीदी, किस रीज़न से वो इस बाइक की तरफ आए, और क्यों उन्होंने वेट किया 6-7 महीने इस बाइक को लेने के लिए।
My name is Abhishek Sahani, and I work with details, and I love the details here too. So we work with a furniture business within interior designs. So I head the company. I take care of productions, operations, and the day-to-day. See, Perak is like a thought. You know, I'm into motorcycles. I built a couple of my motorcycles as well. I've been working on a couple of old bikes since quite some time. And I have built 2 or 3 these bobbers as well. So when I first saw this on the Java launch, when they unveiled it, I had this in mind, yaar, ye kab aayegi? You know, so that thing came into mind then. And I was waiting for the date. So I booked it on the first day. And to be really honest, I love the details. The tiny details that the Java has worked out, including this reflector and this lamp. I love it. It's to the core. It's very pleasant to have a thought in the bike. I mean, it's not like I don't want to get a bike for a pizza delivery, but I want a bike which can, you know, be one with me, and I feel one with this thing. And let's see how it works on the road. It felt like, buddy, I've been waiting for ages now. Because thanks to the lockdown and thanks to the production cycle that broke with Java, I was falling off with Avtarji, and glad that he was very responsive, and at least he called me as soon as he got the news for Java. I waited around, I booked it on the 1st of January, I believe. The day it started, the 1st or 2nd of January. And yeah, today's the day. I don't know, I want to relish it. It's like food. I want to like enjoy it. Slowly, steadily. I don't mind riding in the night, riding in the morning, whatever time, 5 o'clock in the morning, take on a ride. It's nice. And I'm just waiting for it to go on the road and see how responsive it is. I would have made it to this color. This color? Yeah. I love it like this. I don't want some gaudy things. This is what I want a bike to be.
Okay, so my name is Adit Kukreti, and I'm a hairdresser in Delhi. I've been working with Lux Privé from long, and that's how I just make people look beautiful. What made me buy the Perak? I think, look at the bike, the detailing of the bike itself speaks for itself. I mean, I don't think there's any other bike in this category. It's the first ever company fitted bobber that you're getting in such a price. I think it's a steal deal. Oh, how long? Very long. I am one guy who cannot wait. And then this bike made me wait at least more than an year to come into deliveries. I have been one guy who's been following every news about Perak, because it's been very long that I wanted to buy a bike, and I don't want to get into a hush-hush decisions to buy any bike. So I really waited for this bike. Trust me. Okay, so I would like to take this bike obviously to my bikers group and flaunt this bike and make them feel jealous, since I be the first one to take Java Perak delivery from Delhi. It just gets me goosebumps. I mean, makes me feel so special that the much awaited bike, I get the first delivery. Nothing like it, bro. Oh, I think it's the color is stunning. I mean, there has been obviously a lot of thought process, engineers, designers who have designed this. Look at the detailing of this color with the gold lines and the tan seat cover, I think they've done justice to the color. But if at all there are options that I would like to go for, I think a chrome would also do a justice to this bike. A metal chrome look, because this is in a matte finish, something gonna be in glossy will bring out more from this bike.
My name is Prashant Singh, and I live in Gurgaon. I'm into a job. I work for a real estate company. See, there is no specific reason, but I love motorcycles. This is going to be my 5th edition to my, motorcycles, including RE. I've been driving Royal Enfield for 15 years now. I saw the video on 1st January. When I saw the video, I liked the look, the color, and the sound, of course, in a video. So I decided I'm going to go for it. This is going to be my first experience with Jawa though. 1st January I made the booking. So since then I've been waiting. It's been, 7 months now? I'm going to take a round of in Gurgaon, nothing else. You know the current situation. But I'm very excited. I'm waiting to take this machine on the roads to experience this, the thrilling experience. Black with somewhere this golden lines and everything, but this is the best color, or the army color, yeah, the military color, yeah. Thanks to the staff and Pradeep especially for calling me today and getting this delivered to me. Very first thing, thank you very much.
आज आपने देखा कि किस तरह से कस्टमर ने बाइक का वेट किया 6 महीने तक, किसी ने ज़्यादा वेट किया, लेकिन ultimately whoever's bought the Perak is very satisfied with the bike and they bought it because of the way it looks. It looks really cool on the outside because of the color, the special color, and of course because they really enjoyed the smooth engine and the ride quality of this bike. अगर आप चाहते हैं Perak को लेना तो ये बाइक्स अवेलेबल है सारे डीलरशिप्स में। मैं तो आज स्वाति मोटर्स आया हूँ साउथ दिल्ली में, लेकिन जो भी डीलरशिप आपके घर के पास जावा की, आप वहाँ जाकर ले सकते हैं इस बाइक को और टेस्ट ड्राइव ले सकते हैं उससे पहले। एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल एग्री विथ मी दैट दिस इज वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट लुकिंग बाइक्स आउट देयर ऑन द रोड। It looks really cool and also it's very fine in terms of the way it rides and the suspension also feels very comfortable. ये मैंने नहीं बोला, कस्टमर्स ने बोला जिन्होंने इस बाइक को चलाया है। और ये सब बातें आपको ध्यान रखनी चाहिए इस बाइक को लेने से पहले। जावा के सारे खुले हैं ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड देर ऑल फॉलोइंग द सेफ्टी प्रोसीजर्स which are now part of our daily routine and daily lives. So check these bikes out. Jawa is open for business and you should definitely check them out at dealership near you. Thanks for watching.